Oh, Bernie, good morning, classmate. We're here already at the Wayala Garden Center, here in Wayala, South Australia.
The light is fading fast. From this old town we gotta go. Our bags are packed so well.
Just arrived. Nakadadaan Perla, dito na. Ito ka na tumaan, masikip dyan.
There's no point in delaying what we both already know.
Taka na. Salita ka na lang dyan. Takpan na lang. Takpan na lang. Takpan para hindi... Ayan. Teka. Okay. Yes. Yeah.
Fall asleep to the sounds of the sea.
Oh, here.
You right by my side. It's such a sweet life escape.
Yeah, we just arrived.
Escape this time with me.
Yes. Oh, yeah. This we're already inside this Wayala Gardens. Here. Just arrived. It's already 11 o'clock in the morning. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. No, hindi. Nakala mo ito, no?
This time with me.
Oh, yeah. This is
Escape this time with me.
Wayala Flower Shop. Oh, yeah. Oh, here.
Escape this time.
Oh, here at Wayala Flower Shop. Yes. Oh, yeah. Almost $16 na rin yan eh. $15.98 na eh. Hindi naman pangit Come on. Inukas ko na lang para ano. Alam ka naman, isarado ko pa yan, lalo na. Panloob naman yung t-shirt eh. Yung ano eh. Pero uso ngayon yung ganyan, na nakabukas na lang ito. Mga solar to, no? Yung mga ganyan ilaw na yan. Dapat meron kayo nyo sa gilid eh, na. Yung sa, ano, yung matic na, pagdating ng, ano, ang problema eh, hindi nga pala permanente yung, ano nyo sa, ano, yung pagdilim, no? Sa bagay, may sensor naman yan kayo. Basta na ano niya yung dilim na nag-automatic na siya. Mahal din pala, no? Almost $16 ang presyo. Yes. Oh, yeah. Yes, we're now ready. Finish at the flower shop. We just go back to the car and go to the city of Wayala. Being at the Wayala Garden Center. Here at the Wayala. Okay na? Ewan ko, naka-on to. Naka na? Oh, now we're already here at the Coles and Kmart shopping mall. Yeah.
Our second stop, Coles and
Okay na yan, pasok naman sa guhit eh. Okay.
Our second stop, Coles and Kmart.
Ay, Cellphone ko. Ay, di. Ito na lang. Ito. Buksan mo na lang.
Hindi, kailangan bubuksan.
Ay, ayaw nga. Sige. Yung bintana, isasagad ko na yung sara, Eileen. Yan. Okay. Remote ako.
English.
Keep moving.
Yeah.
Keep moving.
We're going to the Kmart.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
Where? Straight.
Straight ahead to Kmart. Kmart. Eh? Yeah. Oh. Ano? Bait. Dito eh, babagyan na nakaangat doon sa Manibela. Eh, baba ng upuan niya eh.
English.
Tayo. Here in, ano ba to? Ano ba to yung Wayala? Okay. Okay. Naka-ano na to? Naka-on na to, mic ko. Okay, we're here in the Wayala and we have to go here at the food court. This is the Wayala food court. Glenn, di ko makita. Ang taas, hindi ko makita yung pangalan ng pangalan ng Sana.
Lagi naman. Ganyan ang pagbibigyan mo.
Ganyan. Yun. Right.
So ngayon, kung titingnan mo sila mami.
Yun. Dapat
Baba mo lang doon.
tama na yan.
Baba mo lang.
Baba na lang. Yun. And now, we're here at the Wayala Food Court. Paano ba? Pag ano? Baba pa. Kunin mo siya. Picture mo yan. Paano?
Ayun, pag ganyan lang, wag mo lang itataas na gano'n.
Yan now, here at the Wayala Food Court. Here, we are ordering our lunch. Ito si Kabayan ang nandito. We're here, our Kabayan, Co-Filipino here at the food court.
Ayusin ko.
We're here at the food court in Wayala and we see our Kabayan here. They have a stall here at the Wayala food court. We take for a lunch.
Ikaw, ano sa'yo?
Ano yan? Kahit ano? Ano ba to?
Ano sa'yo?
Ano ba yan?
Gusto ko yun. Pansit. Hindi. Pwede may roast pork doon.
Kanin sa kanya. Kanin, medyo, basta malambot ang ulam.
Kanin at saka
Basta malambot ang ulam. Piliin mo na lang kung alin.
ayun. Sausage.
Ano ba yun?
Ito, chicken. Ayun po. Kalabasa. Gusto mo yun? Beef. Gusto mo beef?
Ay, malambot.
Malambot yun. Roast.
Oh, sige, malambot.
Nababad din sa plate.
Oh, sige, pwede.
Small lang siya. Ano? Fried rice.
Tapos ang orderin na natin, kung malaki. Meron. Kung meron. Meron ba malaki? Para mas tipid tayo kaysa magtingin-tingin.
What do they have in
Ano sa'yo?
Chicken. Ayan. Sabi mo rin, hindi ko alam tong mga menu nila eh.
They have pancit.
They have pancit.
Patatas.
This is potato. And this is chicken.
Okay, chicken. Roast beef.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh. Yeah, teka.
Okay na.
Ayun. Oh, yes. Good morning, classmate. And now here at the Wayala Food Mart. with our Kabayan store here. So we're taking our lunch here.
What's
Sure.
the lunch? Rice.
The rice and chicken.
No. Roast beef.
This is the roast beef and sinangag. And Eileen is the fried rice
Hard
and,
rock.
and I
We
think
choose
chicken.
corn and green peas and fried rice and chicken.
Then your favorite?
Yeah, favorite Coca-Cola. Yeah, let's eat, my
Baka
friend.
naman.
Let's eat, my friend. Our shout out to Ate Kate and Kuya Dave in Adelaide. Also, Big Boy is there. Thank you. Copy.